Hi everyone, I'm August, and this week I did a bloom transfer on a faux pillow. And for the faux pillow, I used this Little Piggy Stuck Up Pig, which is this hyper shifting pigment that the one I used is Pretentious, and it has this cool shift. It's like purple to green. I'll show you the dried results in the end of this video. That's where you can really see this pop. Before I get into that, I hope everybody had a great New Year's, a great holiday season. I just got back from my mom's out in Arizona. I got to see my brother, my sister, my niece and nephew, so it was just a blast. Brianna and I had so much fun. I hope your New Year's is off to a great start, and thank you for being here. How we're doing this, I have a white house paint pillow. And my recipe is in the description below, like with all the colors, the cell activator recipe, all of that stuff. I put a white house paint pillow down. Now this big board is gonna be our final piece. We're gonna put our transfers over the top of this. I didn't want a white background. I wanted to use that stuck up pig for a faux pillow. So I poured out that color onto this palette knife. The faux pillow, it's mixed like all of the other colors, exactly the same consistency. After I had that onto this palette knife, I just gently lay that down onto the board. Get as close as you can with your palette knife as you're laying this down to reduce the air bubbles in it. That will help a lot. If you hold it up really high and let that paint just drip off, you are gonna get a lot of air bubbles. After that, I got this little board to do the bloom on, and then we're gonna transfer that bloom down onto this board. Bloom, just like any other bloom, lay the house paint pillow down, the colors down. Now, I used a black SHELEE Art Cell Activator because I had really light colors, so I thought that black would be a nice contrast through that. I blew the bloom out like normal, then came in and scooped it up with this knife. Now, I wanted to do 2 transfers over that other board, so that's why this palette knife is smaller. If I wanted to pick up the whole thing, the whole bloom, and lay that down itself, I would use obviously a bigger palette knife. So I've got this little palette knife, I scoop up half of it, and when you do that, make sure you don't run your palette knife over the side you haven't picked up, because you will get paint drips over that, so just be aware of that. Pick it up, move it off to the side. Before you transfer this paint down onto the big board, wipe it off 2 or 3 times, and that will prevent the drips from going off the side of this palette knife as you're laying that down. So we've got our pillow paint down already. We have our faux pillow down. Now I've got half of my bloom on this palette knife. I just simply laid this down over that faux pillow, and I did that twice, spun it out, and it came out pretty cool. I like there are some things I don't like about it, but I do like the lightness of the transfer part against that lightness of the faux pillow. So let me know what you guys think. As always, Creations with Tanya and Grandma Kathy's Art Venture are premiering directly after me, and their videos and channels are in the description. Please check them out if you haven't already seen them. I believe that was everything to go over. Again, Happy New Year's, and I appreciate you being here.